taking a peek at the key fob for the Sonata. So nothing along the back side of the fob. You've got the lock button, unlock button, remote start, horn or panic alarm, and then there's also the trunk release. Some versions of the Sonata are also going to have the remote smart parking assistant. This one unfortunately doesn't have it, but if you want to know how that works, check down in the description for another video. But like I said, lock button, unlock button, straightforward. In order to remote start, push the lock button and then push and hold that circle button. See there, in order to remote start. And then to cancel the remote start, just push that circle button there again. And in order to get into the trunk, it can be done a few ways. So you can just push and hold the button on the fob there in order to pop it open, and then it's manual, back down. There's also the option for the smart trunk feature. So I'll show you how to enable it in a second, but you just need to make sure that the vehicle's locked. Get about 10 to 15 feet away for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then if you've got a bag full of groceries, or you have hands full of groceries, you've got kids, or you're just too lazy, you don't want to pull the key fob out of your pocket to get into the trunk or push the button that's right there. You can walk up to the back side of the car. You can see there. And up it goes. And back down. One other neat trick that's available, and that's using the key fob as a smart window assistant. So push and hold the unlock button. Watch this. You can release it in order to stop it part way. Push and hold again in order to continue the process. And it's strictly going to be for the first row windows, so not for the second. And then pushing and holding the lock button. Unfortunately does not roll it up. That would have been one nice thing to see. But in order to enable those other key fob tricks, what you're going to do, on the inside, I like that. It's good. If you want walkthroughs though, like how to use the steering wheel buttons, the cluster, or the infotainment, you'll find walkthroughs down in the description of this video. But in order to get to what we need, you're just going to go setup. You've got a ton of different options available here. But you're looking for vehicle, door, boom, smart trunk, and then remote window control. So you just want to make sure that these ones are enabled. But that's how you use the key fob inside the vehicle.